With a collective gasp and puzzled looks, the world was recently introduced to Tesla's newest vehicle. The so-called Cybertruck is an angular stainless steel all-electric pickup truck that quickly became polarizing. With the Cybertruck, Tesla has integrated several of its technologies into one offering. The truck features the same stainless steel alloy being used at Musk's other company, SpaceX, and it has lithium-ion batteries, software and hardware for self-driving, and a solar roof option to help boost the Cybertruck's range. Is Cybertruck really worth mentioning? Hello and welcome to Tesla Reeve. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell to get updated with technology trends. We bring you the video related to Tesla's new Cybertruck, so stick till the end. The Tesla Cybertruck looks like it was dropped off by an alien race, but it has the capabilities to challenge all of the top-selling pickup trucks. With a sharp-edged exterior that is made of scratch and dent-resistant stainless steel, Tesla's all-electric truck is seriously tough. Along with available all-wheel drive, the Cybertruck can tow up to 14,000 pounds and has an estimated driving range of 500-plus miles. While that applies only to the most expensive model, the cheapest one starts at $39,900. Of course, there's still a lot we don't know about the Cybertruck, including when will it officially go on sale. Right now, it looks as if the first versions will go into production in late 2022. Tesla is expanding its lineup to introduce one of the most popular body styles in America, the pickup truck. With seriously impressive stats for both an EV and a pickup truck, the Cybertruck gives the company a potentially strong seller given how well trucks sell in this country. However, it'll have to compete with the Ford F-150 Lightning, the GMC Hummer EV, and the Rivian R1t right out of the gate. The Cybertruck is available with not just one, not just two, but 3 electric motors. Elon Musk said the electric car maker's much-anticipated Cybertruck would come with a high-end 4-motor variant. Initial production will be 4-motor variants with independent, ultra-fast response torque, control of each wheel, Musk said in a tweet, calling the electric pickup truck insane technology bandwagon. Musk said the Cybertruck would have both front and rear wheel steering that would not just turn like a tank, it can drive diagonally like a crab. While the single-motor truck has rear-wheel drive, the 2- and 3-motor models have all-wheel drive. Tesla claims it'll go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds and top out at 110 miles per hour. The dual-motor Cybertruck will reportedly reach 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds and have a top speed of 120 miles per hour. Those looking for ultimate performance will appreciate the 3-motor model, which Tesla says will essentially teleport from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds, with a top speed of 130 miles per hour. All Cybertrucks have an adjustable air suspension that can be raised or lowered on the fly and provides up to 16 inches of ground clearance. Add that to its 35-degree approach and 28-degree departure angles, and the Tesla pickup could prove to be a formidable off-road machine. If the Cybertruck can really tow as much as Tesla claims, it will have a higher maximum rating than popular alternatives such as the Ram 1500. While the single and dual motor Teslas have a maximum towing rate of 7,500 pounds and 10,000 pounds respectively. Models with a third motor will be able to pull a whopping 14,000 pounds. Every Cybertruck can also haul 3,500 pounds in its 6.5-foot cargo bed. Tesla didn't reveal the size of the batteries that will power its electrified pickup. However, every model will have a 250 kilowatt charging cable. Of course, it will also have access to Tesla's vast network of superchargers. Its driving range varies with the number of motors, but Tesla claims the single motor has a range of 250-plus miles. The dual motor boasts 300-plus miles of range, and the top-tier tri-motor setup should provide more than 500 miles on a single charge. Those who thought the Tesla Model 3 interior was minimalistic will relive that reaction when they see the Cybertruck's Spartan cabin. While many standard features and options haven't been disclosed, the first images show a slab-like dashboard that is solely dominated by one large touchscreen. Its squared-off steering wheel looks to have some sort of illuminated display, but nothing has been confirmed. The Cybertruck will also be able to seat up to 6 people, with its 6.4-foot cargo bed offering 100 cubic feet of volume. It also has a nifty slide-out tailgate that doubles as a ramp to load your four-wheelers and motorcycles. As with most of the interior, specific details about the Cybertruck's infotainment system are largely a mystery. However, we do know every model will have a big 17-inch touchscreen that is horizontally mounted in the center of the dashboard. Every model will feature Tesla's controversial self-driving autopilot feature, and the company says it will offer a full self-driving option for $7,000. We also expect other driver assistance technology to be available. Tesla provides a comprehensive warranty on its current models. However, it doesn't include any complimentary maintenance. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 8 years, regardless of miles, no complimentary scheduled maintenance. It's the stainless steel body that has people perplexed. On one hand, the whole Maverick approach is to be lauded. Tesla has taken standard design conventions and, with nary a care, thrown them in a blender to see what comes out. Admittedly, not everyone would be thrilled to shell out a pre-tax RS50 lock for the base version on something that looks like it was drawn with a ruler. But the Cybertruck does have a certain novelty factor going for it. The design looks considerably different from the fan renditions and concepts, and we're still not sure if this is just old Elon pulling a fast one on us. However, you can't fault it on utility value, and it will incorporate a steel body with some titanium thrown in. Tesla decided to step into the pickup space due to high profitability margins in the pickup market in countries like the United States, but it would be premature to say Ford loyalists are going to make the switch anytime soon. Musk went into quite a bit of detail when answering a question from retail investors regarding the Cybertruck's production and ramp. Musk began by discussing the overall parts supply issue, saying, "This year has just been a constant struggle with parts supply. So, just to be clear, if we had 5 extra products, we would not change our vehicle output at all, because we are basically limited by multiple supply chain shortages like so many types, not just chips." Continuing, Musk added, "There were lots of supply chain shortages, so it really wouldn't matter if we had a semi or have a truck or anything. We would not be able to make it. We got to have enough chips and cells, otherwise it's pointless. So I think most likely what we'll see is the Cybertruck stock production will begin by the end of next year, and then reach volume production in 2023. With this comment, Elon has finally confirmed Cybertruck production has been delayed until the end of 2022, and that the truck won't begin production in any significant quantity until 2023. At the shareholders' meeting, Musk went into detail about the types of supply shortages the company is facing. First, there is the much talked about chip shortage that has plagued the entire automotive industry. However, Musk says that is just the tip of the iceberg. According to Elon, Tesla is also facing severe battery cell shortage. At the shareholders' meeting, Musk discussed how Tesla plans to address the current issue by reiterating Tesla's cell manufacturing roadmap, laid out at the company's Battery Day event. The stated goal of Tesla in developing the Cybertruck is to provide a sustainable energy substitute for the roughly 6,500 fossil fuel-powered trucks sold per day in the United States. That said, this is it for today's video. So, what is your take on this matter? Tell us in the comments. If you want to see our upcoming videos, ring the bell icon, and don't forget to like our video as well. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching.